Hi, welcome to codePannu. Let us see how to subtract two items from the list. Let us subtract the second item and the fourth item from this marks list. Okay, we should use indexes to get these two items first, correct? Okay, after that, let us print the subtracted output. Now, to start with, let us write the print statement. Write print, open bracket, close bracket. Inside the brackets, let us write our list name. Marks underscore list, open square bracket, close square bracket. Inside the square bracket, let us write the index of our second item, which is 1. Very good. Now put minus sign to subtract and then write our list name again, marks underscore list. Put open square bracket, close square bracket, and put the index of our fourth item inside the square brackets, which is 3. Very good. Excellent. Save the file and run the code. Look, we have got the subtracted output. For now, bye bye.